In this video I share my VeChain price prediction for 2024 with long and short-term analysis, and we will have potential price targets and potential buy zones for VeChain to make maximum profits in 2024. So let's go straight into the content. As you can see, VeChain is on place 42 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2 billion. VeChain is existent since 2018 and we had the all-time high in 2021. And after we reached the all-time high in 2021 in the bull run, we came then to lower prices right now. And in the charts you can see after we built our all-time high in 2021, we saw this crash to the downside, then we found some support right here, moved again to the upside, and after we built the last massive high right here, we continued the bearish trend to the downside. We continued the bearish trend with lower highs and lower lows, and we moved all the way into this demand zone. And from this demand zone right here, we saw this push to the upside, and in this demand zone we found support and moved now to the upside again. And this is the first really bullish sign on the weekly time frame, because we started with bullish momentum and pushed through this supply zone. Because from the supply zone we saw this move to lower levels and made a lower low. So technically this supply zone is strong and the chance that we see a reaction to lower levels from here is very high. But as I said, we moved through this supply zone. And I think VeChain is a great project with very nice potential. Because from the prices right now to this high we have a potential of 500%, and to the all-time high we have an even bigger potential with 850%. So we have a great potential for VeChain, and I think it's a realistic goal for the next bull run. And if we want to reach this bullish levels, we now have to continue to go to the upside. And then the first really interesting price area is this last high right here. Because from this high we can see this bearish move to the downside and we made lower lows. And over this important highs we often have liquidity. So if we see a move to the upside and continue the bullish trend, the chance that we now see a retracement after reaching this level is very high. And if we are reaching this high and see a retracement right then I think the chance is high that we can continue the bullish trend. And then the next interesting area is this one right here, because as you can see we saw this bullish consolidation. We built slightly higher highs and slightly higher lows, and after we reached this high we saw the strong crash to the downside. So I think this would be a very important level for VeChain, and if we're coming to the upside I think the chances also high that we see a larger retracement right here, because also many people are taking profits in the all-time highs, and often in highs like this the chances high that we can come to the upside, that we first continue the bullish trend and that we then see a larger retracement. But of course it's difficult to say if the price moves like this. It's just the orientation for the bull run 2024 from the prices right now. And then of course the last important level is the all-time high. And again, from the prices right now to the all-time high we have 800% potential. But I think the potential of VeChain is even higher, and the best altcoins in the bull run are also exploding even higher than its all-time high. And if you want to calculate the price targets for the next bull run, I use the Fibonacci tool from the swing high to the swing low. And of course this is just the orientation for potential price targets, but a very bullish price target would be the 3.618 Fibonacci level, and here we would have a price of nearly $1. Here we exactly have 97 cents. And if you want to have a more conservative price target, I would take the 1.618 Fibonacci, and here we would have a target of 44 cents. And I think this is also a really realistic target for the next bull run for VeChain. And from the prices right now to this level, we would have a potential of 1300%. So this would be a very great deal for VeChain. But if we want to reach this bullish price targets, we also have to take a look at the total crypto market cap. And on this chart, you can see the crypto market cap of all cryptocurrencies. And we are now in this level right here. And after we reached the peak of the bull run in 2021, we saw this crash to the downside. And after we crashed to the downside, we saw this longer consolidation in this area. And now we see the first bullish momentum to the upside, which is a very bullish sign. And the next really interesting area is this target right here. And if you would reach this target right here, then the next really interesting area is this one at the top, this last all-time high. And if we want to see higher prices for the cryptocurrencies, we have to break this last all-time highs. Many people and institutions have to buy cryptocurrencies that we see even higher prices and that the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies is rising to the upside. So this chart is very important, but we are seeing this bullish trend to the upside, which is a really good sign. And the chance that we can start the bull run for 2024 is also high. So after we looked for potential price targets, we are now looking for potential buy zones for VeChain. And as I said, this bullish sign is very important because when a coin is not showing any bullish signs, and if we are just seeing a bearish trend to the downside, then it's more risky to invest in the coin because the chance that we see even lower prices and continue the bearish trend to the downside is very high. But as you can see, we found some support in this demand zone and we now saw this push to the upside with bullish momentum. We broke this last supply zone with a weekly body close, which is very nice. But as you can see right here, we also seeing this wicks. And if we are seeing this wicks, this shows that the sellers are in control or that the buyers are too weak to push the price even higher. So the chance that we see a reaction to the downside is there. And the first really interesting area is this demand zone right here. And the first really interesting buy zone is this one right here. Because from this demand zone, we saw this push to the upside. We came back into this demand zone. We just saw this wick right here and pushed to the upside again. So the chance if we are coming back into this area and if we are not breaking it to the downside, and if we see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then the chance is high that we have a good potential buy zone right here, buy some coins and hodl it into the next highs. And the next really interesting buy zone is this one right here, because from this demand zone we saw this push after we see this longer consolidation. So if we are moving back again to this prices right here, I would buy some coins in this buy zone because as I said, I think that VeChain has a great potential, and if we would see prices around 20 cents to 22 cents, then I would buy some coins right here because from 20 cents to the all-time high, we have a potential of 1,300%. So if we come again back to 20 cents at VeChain, I would buy some coins and hodl it into the next highs for the bull run 2024. But also the prices right now are a great chance to buy VeChain for your hodl portfolio because we are in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs. And right now we are in a higher high, and I already showed you the potential of VeChain, so I also think this is a great chance to buy coins. But if we would see lower prices again, it would be even a bigger deal on VeChain. And if you want to have daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like VeChain, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, this is my price prediction for 2024 for VeChain. If you want to see my Cardano price prediction for 2024, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for 2024. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.